And Sean, we'll end with you on this one. The responsible AI safety and governance kind of options in AWS.
Sure. Aside from the identity and access management, IAM, and some of the security-related services that we have, such as the application firewall and the Shield, which is more of the security side, our focus in here is on Bedrock, and Bedrock is that center point of uh, basically bringing these models and run them. So Bedrock has its own guardrails, which they can be applied to AWS models, the ones that AWS has as a in-house developed model, plus through the applied guardrail API, you can basically apply those guardrails to any models outside of the Bedrock too. So now they do come with the 6 safeguard policies, major safeguard policies, and each policy is configurable per application. Basically, and you can combine and match them, depending on your risk posture. The first one is the content filters. So we can, block the hate, insult, sexual content, violence, misconduct, and all that. Then you have the prompt attack in detection. So if you have prompt injections and all that, so you can catch any jailbreaks, prompt injection, and attempts to leak the system prompt. Another one is the denied topics. So basically keep the model away from any, off limits type of subjects that you can define. We have the sensitive info filters. So you're going to detect any and redact any personally identifiable information, PII, plus some custom regex for any internal type of identifiers. We have also contextual grounding. You're going to flag responses, which is unsupported by any retrieved context. And that's important in RAG. We also have automated reasoning checks, right? This one is interesting because you can formally verify output against some encoded business rules. And this is technically sometimes up to 99% accurate on policy scope check. So these automated reasoning checks is a little bit different, right? And it's provable and it's not probable because you can encode your policies and business rules, and then at real time, Bedrock is going to check against that. One thing you need to remember as the last point, this is not necessarily a hallucination remover, right? It's more of a check what you can encode as the rules for your groundlessness.